Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Well, today we are going to continue working on our feed view model. So first we will make it so we only have posts that are implemented or posted by our user, so not the other posts. Also we will fix a little problem here, and then we will make the image clickable so we can access and change the image. So let's start coding, and first thing is to go to our feed view model, and here let's add published var my posts indexes, which will be an array of integer and it will be by default empty. And here in our for if post index dot user is equals to the first user. In that case I want my posts indexes dot append, and I will give it the index. And if some of you are wondering why I'm working this way and why I'm giving it and users with the S, and if some of you are wondering why I'm giving to my post indexes an index that is an integer, because if we go to our component folder, to our post view, here you will find that we are going to use the index, and inside our post array we need to know the right index to get the right post. That's why we are doing it this way. So let's go to our profile view. Our profile view, and please let's close these folders that we don't need. It will be here my post indexes.count, and here it will be my posts. View model I meant dot my post indexes, and I will give it the index. And hopefully now if I go to check, I will only have, as you can see, the post that I posted, not the other ones. That's perfect. Now for this one I will give it a temporary fix, and later I will give it a final, or how to say it, a real fix. But for now it will be just, we go to our profile friends view, and here I will make it dot subheadline. So if I go back here, I think I made a mistake. I made it on that see all friends. I meant on this one, the subheadline. Don't know why I'm not really focused today. Maybe it's a little bit late. Anyway, perfect. Now I want to make this clickable, so let's go to our profile header view, and here let's create a button with action and label, and I will take this and place it inside my button. And here let's make add state private var show profile image picker of type boolean, and by default it will be false. Perfect. And here I will call show profile image picker dot toggle, and that's normal, should be perfect. Now here let's also add dot photo picker, and I need first to import photo UI, so import photo UI, and here it will be dot photo picker, this one is presented, I don't need the third one. Okay, and the first one will be dollar show profile image picker, and for this one I will create it inside my view model. So I will go to my feed view model, and here I will create at published var selected image of type PhotosPicker item, and of course I need to import photo UI, and I will also need to import swiftui. Okay, perfect. Now it will be a selected image of type PhotosPicker item. I will make it optional, and I will also need at published var profile image. It will be of type image, and by default it will be image with no profile, and I will also add a private var UI image of type UI image, and it will be also optional. Now I will create a function. I will call it load image, and to be honest it's a function that I found in the internet. It will be from item of type PhotosPicker item. It will be async throws. Okay, perfect. And I will make it at main actor, which will be, I needed to be how to say it, on the main view. Also guard let item equal item else return. I will also have guard let data, and to be honest I'm just if I wasn't showing now a tutorial, I would just copy and paste it without even typing it, because I don't really, I just took it from the internet because it does what I needed to do. Okay, data.self. It's not something you really need to understand or to know how. All you need is to know the code and take it and use it when you need to. Okay, now guard let UI image equal UI image with data of type equal data else return. Then it will be self dot UI image equal UI image, and then it will be self dot profile image equal image UI image, and I will give it UI image. Perfect. Now in my selected image I will make it did set, and here I will call I will make task try wait and load image, and I will pass selected image. Okay, hopefully it will be perfect. I think what does he want? Okay, I think perfect, I think. Okay, I got a problem. Guard let item equal item else return, and for some reason I'm having Okay, let me check what's wrong. Okay, I think I forgot to make it optional, so that's all, and I think I'm not sure if I need it any more. Okay, now if I go to my profile header here, I will go $view model dot selected image, and here it will be view model dot profile image, and again I need to save, but honestly it's all code that I found on the internet, and if I was now going to implement an app, I would be using it without too much thinking, just copying and pasting it, because you don't need to know the code here. So in this case, okay, as you can see, it's no profile because it's the image by default. If I click on it, okay, I got all the image. I can click on this one and it changed the image. Perfect, that's what I want for now. Okay, I will do the same for the cover image. So let's go to our feed view model. Okay, here, and let's create, I will call it selected cover image, and I will make another one. I will call it cover image, and here I will call it load cover image, and it will be self.cover image, and here it will be load cover image, and I will replace it with selected cover image. That's all I need. Just now I need to go to my photo profile header view, and first let's add another add state private var show cover image picker of type boolean, and it will be by default false. Okay, perfect. Then I will place my cover image, this one, inside the button, so it will be button with action and label, and take this and place it inside my label, and here it will be show cover image picker dot toggle. Okay, perfect, I think. And here it will be dot photo picker it will be dollar show cover image picker, and here it will be dollar view model dot cover image, or not cover image, I apologize, dot selected cover image. Let me just check that I replaced the other one. Okay, I forgot to replace this. I don't need this image anymore. I will replace it with view model dot cover image, and hopefully now everything will be working perfectly. Let's go to our profile view and let's wait for it. As you can see, by default I got what we call it, a no profile image. It's an image from my asset folder. If I click on it, I can change it with an image. I can also change this one with an image. Perfect, that's all we need to do in this video. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like video and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.